chicken tomato casserole or cumin chicken tomato bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and most delicious of the cumin recipes and one most unique of the cumin seed recipes and one most delicious of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chicken bowl recipes and one of the most unique of the chicken curry recipes, one of the most delicious of the tomato recipes. We're going to make cumin chicken tomato casserole. We've taken around 300 grams of chicken pieces. Ingredients are 3 tomatoes cut into pieces, 20 to 25 shallots, 15 grams of garlic, 15 grams of ginger, 2 spoons of cumin seeds. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Marinade. You can saute. Garlic saute mix. Put in the garlic piece. Salt the garlic piece. Put in the ginger. Put in salt to taste. Salt. Salt thoroughly. Keep on salting. Thoroughly salt and mix. Put in the cumin seeds. Thoroughly. Put in a spoon of chili powder. A spoon of black pepper powder. A quarter spoon of fenugreek powder. Salt. Put in salt to taste. Salt thoroughly. Put in the chicken pieces. Mix the chicken pieces thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. cutting the tomato pieces. Thoroughly mix until the tomatoes are nicely mixed with the cutting piece casserole, and let the mixture cook for 30 to 40 minutes in high flame. Put in 2 chilies and let the mixture cook for a minute. Cumin chicken tomato casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Cumin chicken tomato casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cumin recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the chicken casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato recipes and one of the most unique of the cumin seed recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the notification button.